Let us move to the next part. Now we are going to see about another one, that is in the Bay of Bengal ocean and its island groups, that is in the we can see that extending from north to south, and these are known as Andaman and Nicobar Islands. They are bigger in size and are more numerous and scattered. And when we are comparing with Lakshadweep, is number of islands in Andaman Nicobar area, it is more and it is bigger in size also. And entire group of island is divided into two broader categories. One is Andaman, that is in northern part, and the southern part it is known as Nicobar. So we are calling it Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Why? It is made into two broad categories, and it is believed that these islands are elevated portion of submarine mountains. It is a portion of the mountain. Inside the ocean there are many mountains. Like that, one mountain it is coming up like that, elevated portion of that mountain, like that. The geologists, they are saying these island groups are great strategic importance for our country. There is great diversity of flora and fauna in this group of islands, and these islands lies closer to the equator and experience equatorial climate, has thick forest cover. Means we can see the great influence or great strategic importance of the this island group. It is playing an important role when we are thinking about Indian situation. And one thing, it is the difference diversity of the flora and fauna. Then another one, it is very close to the equator and experiencing the equatorial climate also, and that's why we can see the thick forest cover. Means it is the submarine forest, already we said, and that forest full of trees and plants. So we have said about the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Both Andaman and Nicobar Islands, it is numerous small islands, and in the northern part it is known as Andaman and the southern part it is known as Nicobar. And another side, in the Arabian Sea, we can see the coral formed one island group, that is known as Lakshadweep. In 1973 we started to call it as Lakshadweep. And we can see was one. Do you know India's only active volcano is found in the barren island of Andaman and Nicobar island groups? We are having one of the volcano, that is active volcano, where it is, that is in the Andaman Nicobar island group. And other part of India, we don't have like that any active volcanoes, but sleeping volcanoes we are having, but active volcano, that is there only in Andaman and Nicobar islands. And we can see the picture of this islands also, and it is in a different shape and small group like that. If you are going to the map also, let us see in the map where is Andaman and Nicobar Islands. We already said about that one. It is near to Sri Lanka. When we are this side, the Konkan coast, and this is the Malabar coast. This is the Malabar coastal area, and it is near to the Malabar coast. We can see the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. And at the same time, if we are moving to the southern part, it is not that much near to India also. It is far away from India. It is far away from India, and it is in the Bay of Bengal. We can see this area. It is known as Andaman Islands, and this area it is known as Nicobar Islands. And it is because what we said about it is reaching, if here it is 8 degree north, means from 0 to 8 degree north, it is from the down also it is reaching. It may be 6 degree or 6 degree, up to that it is extending. So it is reaching near to the equator. When we are comparing with the mainland, it is not reaching up to that. We are coming up to 8 degree north only, but the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, it is reaching near to the equator, and they are facing the climate of the equatorial climate. They are enjoying there, and thick forest we can see. And when we are thinking about the formation of these islands, it is the part of the submarine mountain, the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, and Lakshadweep, it is the coral reefs made islands, that is Lakshadweep. Okay, we'll move to the lesson again. Then a detailed account of the different physiological units and highlights the unique features of each region. It would however be clear that each region complements the other and makes the country richer and its natural resources. When we studied about the Himalayan from our topper to Topper Himalaya, then it is reaching to the Andaman Nicobar Islands and then Lakshadweep, like that, and we studied about different relief features, that it is helping each other, each and every area it is helping each other, it is complementing each other. That's why we are becoming the rich in natural resources because of the presence of different types of landform features. The mountains are major source of water and forest wealth. We are getting maximum water from them because all the rivers it is starting from mountains. It may be from Himalaya or from Indian Satpura or from Western Ghat and Eastern Ghat. We know there are many rivers are there. The major rivers or long rivers only we are studying in textbook. If you are thinking about here in Tamil Nadu itself, for Kaveri river, how many branches, you know, the nearby area, all these branches we are not studying in book, we are studying only major one, Amravati, like that, small rivers names we are not studying. And when we are thinking about Kerala, there are 44 rivers are there in Kerala, but no one reverse name we are not studying in geography book of 1 to 10. Only one thing you are going to study next year, that is in electricity production. In that Periyar Dam, Idukki Dam name you are going to study. That only single thing about water resources of Kerala you are going to study. And when we are studying about waterways, that time also you will study about the means waterway 1 or 2, like that. That time also you will come to Kerala about the any other thing related to water or river or lake. We are not going to study in even in 10th standard also. So means each and every relief features, it is helping each other and it is making India more and more beautiful as well as richer. Then next one, the mountains are the major source of water and forest wealth. The northern plains are the granaries of the country, means the maximum grains we are cultivating in the northern plain. So it is known as the granaries of country of the country. They provide the base for early cultivation. They provide the base for early cultivation, and the plateau is the storehouse of the minerals. The plateau area, Chota Nagpur plateau, then the Malwa plateau and the Deccan plateau, it is the source of minerals. We know all the mines and maximum factories coming in this area only, the plateau area. Then which has played a crucial role in the industrialization of the country as well as the economy of the country. And the coastal regions and island groups provide sites for fishing and port activities. The coastal plains, it is and the island groups, it is giving the fishing activities as well as port for the export and import. Thus, the diverse physical features of the land gave immense future possibilities of development. So, the presence of the port and other things, it is helping us to develop, or the physical features itself helping us to develop in a faster way when we are comparing with other countries. Very fast we can develop because of the presence of minerals and other things. Only thing we want to use maximum technology when you are studying physics, chemistry and other things, and even studying about the industries of India. That time we will come to know the problem what we are facing, the lack of technology or skilled labors, like that problems we are facing here in India. By that we are completing the lesson, and in between we skip some of the part, like that. Do you know the Chilka Lake is the largest salt water lake in India, and it lies in the state of Orissa to the south to Mahanadi Delta. Means Chilka Lake, where it is in Orissa. So it is the salt water lake, the largest salt water lake in India. And we are having salt water lakes as well as fresh water lakes. And which lake we said about Chilka, that is the salt water lake. You may get this question for your future, not for 10th I am saying, it may get for your entrance exam, locate Chilka, or what is the speciality of Chilka, or which one is the largest salt lake in India, like that question you may get when you are writing UPSC or so for entrance for some government exam, like that time. Then this one we have read already, and okay, we are stopping here and we will continue in next video. Thank you.